Hello, Stephen Evans here, and today I want to talk about why it's important to review your life insurance. You may be able to get a much superior product than you had before. So we had a client who we sold a policy to her in 2003 or 4. It was when I first started doing this. I got her a variable universal life insurance policy. It was a $200,000 death benefit. It was a great product for her at her age that she needed, and she needed life insurance, and she wanted to make sure she had permanent insurance to make sure that she was leaving something to her heirs. Well, fast forward 20 years and her life has changed because with time, we all change, everything changes. Well, now she needs long-term care insurance. So that is something that is important for her, and she now has this policy that she doesn't really need the life insurance anymore, but we're able to use that because there's cash value. So she's been building this policy up and there's actual cash inside of this policy. So her current policy is $200,000. She's paying $240 a month. She's got to pay that for the rest of her life. So what we did is we went out and shopped the policies to find a long-term care rider that we could add to a life insurance policy. Well, Pacific Life is a company we work with, one of our partners. They have a long-term care rider that we can add to her policy. It either gives her 2 or 4% of her death benefit as a monthly care amount. Well, what she currently had was $200,000 in life insurance. She was paying $240 a month until she died. What we were able to do is, because technology's changed and policies are better and there's just a lot better underwriting, so we were able to get her a policy that instead of it being $200,000, it's now $400,000 with an 8% with a 4% long-term care rider. So we were able to double her life insurance. Oh, and the best part, she was paying till life. Now she's only gonna be paying to 60, which is only 5 more years. So after 60, she never has any more payments because she had enough cash value in this policy to move to the new policy and fund that policy. So her new policy, even though she's 20 years older, is significantly better. It is double the coverage with a long-term care rider, and instead of paying for her life, she's only paying for 5 more years. So this is why it's very important to be shopping these things, because if you're not, you may be missing out on more coverage. You may be able to add a long-term care benefit. There's just so many more things that you may be able to do. You may not need that much coverage anymore. We may be able to just move to a different policy and have it completely funded, or we might be able to take your current policy and reduce the benefits so you never have to pay anymore. So there's ways to work on these policies. A lot of them are very flexible, so it is so worth looking into. If you want to take a review, we're offering life insurance reviews. Come into our office, and we'd love to talk to you. I'm Stephen Evans, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.